Hello everybody, it's Miss Idol's Technical. Hope everybody is fine. Today's video ideas about Asus ROG Strix G15. Let's start the video. The best gaming laptop is Asus ROG Strix G15. Let's start ideas about this laptop. Display screen size 50.6 inch, 1092 into 1080 px, resolution IPS 1008Z, processor Intel Content Lake Core i7, video Intel UHD and NVIDIA, memory 16GB, DDR 3020 mAh into dismiss, storage 1 TB, SSD in radio, connectivity Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth and gigabyte length, ports 3 into USB, battery 60 Wh, size 360 mm, weight 32 kg. Extras 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard with number pad, bottom, stereo, etc. I hope you like the video. If you like, channel, subscribe. See you next video.